your book? Wrap it in the drawer.
What's that?
We was doing the drink.
No. Your ID is in the center.
No, I know. He left his in the drawer. I knew.
Oh, okay. Let's see what you got.
We're supposed to go.
Are you on probation or anything? Yeah. What are you on probation for? Marijuana. Oh, you don't have any marijuana, do you? They gave you a search card? Yes. You already know you can search. Okay. All right. You want to hop out real quick? That's cool. You can put that stuff down. Do the turnaround for me. Possession of marijuana for sale? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna have you sit back here with me. There's not anything in the car. Oh yeah. Hang on rhythm. Hang on to this foot. She don't have any warrants or no probation or anything. Who is that to you? Okay, cool.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, you know he's on probation? Yeah, you got a search card.
Well, this is my car.
Yeah, he's in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Is anything in it that I should know about? No? No, you ain't got nothing on you, right? Okay, just have a seat right with this guy. How long you guys been knowing each other?
11 years.
Of course. Okay, good.
Oh, you know what I do got in the car? It's a blunt. That's about it.
Were you smoking on it? When?
No.
Well, now we have some marijuana. He's on probation for sales of marijuana. This is not the amount you would have for personal consumption. Right, so this is what we're going to do. Hop up for me. Is that yours or not? Walker? Huh? I didn't know it was in there. Say it again? Okay, all right, no problem. Have a seat. Here's the situation. You're in the car. You're on probation for that. She's in the car. She's not on probation for that. Are you suggesting that it's hers?
Did she say it was mine? Did she please come talk to me?
So you have to get your story straight? Well, I gotta get your story straight before you guys get your story straight together. That don't make no sense. I wouldn't put you together and then let you guys work up cop what it is that you want to do. I'm trying to get to the truth.
Right. I don't know anything, didn't know anything about that stuff in the trunk.
Have you ever driven that car?
A long time ago, not recently, I had my own car.
All right, you don't know anything about it, is that right?
Alright.
All right, watch it. That bag of weed is probably not yours. But since you're the one that's in possession, since the car's in your name, you're the one driving it, it's going to wind up being on you. You want to talk to me now? As it stands right now, I got to wind up arresting both people. You not talking is going to wind up, you're not going to save him, because he's going to jail anyway. But you're just going to go to jail as well, unless we can figure out what is really going on here. Nothing? Okay, well, I'm going to talk to him. Is he going to tell me it's you? Pop out for me. You want to talk to me now?
It's possible that she may not have known either.
Well, who put it in there?
She let people use her car.
It seems like it's yours. If you ain't got nothing to do with it, then you ain't got nothing to do with it. But if it's yours, why would you let her go to jail for that? And she's in the same boat. Now when she's driving by herself, she's getting searched. You already know what that is. So you maintain it's not yours, and had nothing to do with you. Okay.
I don't want her to go to jail.
It's a catch-22. Like, you don't want to go down, but you don't want her to go down, because it ain't either one of you guys.
You really want me to go down for this?
I don't want to go down for this.
No, I don't know about that stuff, man. Probation, I just don't go to prison for this. Okay,
Either one of us have to go through this, but
sure deal. Well, yeah, so, because as it stands, you already know. It's either everybody gonna wind up going, you know,
And then I'm gonna be charged for what?
for possession of marijuana. Right?
And that's a felony, right?
I don't know. Right?
I can't. Babe, are you serious? Do you really want to do this to me? You should have told me it was in there. So you gonna send me to jail? I'm gonna lose everything.
Wow. Alright. Well, we We see how this is gonna go. Come on, we want to have a seat right here. You're good. You're good.
I mean, that's not mine. It has to be his
Why is that?
because there's no other way for it to have gotten in my car.